Hello everybody, and once again welcome to Pankaj Sir's Echelon Tutorials. And in this today's session we are going to start with IGCSE. uh, Once again is IGCSE mathematics. Okay, and this is from the David Reyner book, David Reyner's book, and the edition that I'm using is the 4th edition. Okay, and right now we are into the chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is Algebra 1. Okay, and we were on to exercise 8, and already I have completed up to 32 questions. Okay, so now in this today's session we are going to start with question number 33, right? So this is, I suppose, video number 21. Okay, and this is question number 33, and for these questions, if I'm not mistaken, you'll have to take the values of w, x and y that is given here, okay, as yeah, let me write down that because it's not on your screen right now. So for all these questions, w you will have to take as -2, x you will have to take as 3, y you will have to take as 0, and z you'll have to take as -1/2. So these are the values that you will have to take. Okay, so question number 33 is w upon z plus x. You have to evaluate this. Okay, so first let us plug in the values. So w is -2, z is -1/2, plus x is 3. Okay, so this is what we have to evaluate. Now see, here comes the basic mathematics that you should know how to apply it. Okay, now many students, many teachers have different way of doing these things. Okay, because these are basic operations and it all depends upon what way you are used to do it. Okay, but I am going to follow a method that I am used to do it. Okay, and if you are okay with my way of doing it, then you can follow it. Otherwise, if your way of doing, unless and until it is correct, you can always follow your methods. Okay, if it is wrong, you don't follow, but if it is correct, you can follow those methods. Okay, so what I will do first is I plug in the values of w, z and x, and I got this. Okay, now what I'll do, this part, can you see this part of the question now is something like -2 upon -1/2. Okay, so it's an integer, -2 divided by a fraction -half. So first of all, what I'll do is, in the numerator there's a minus, in the denominator there is a minus, so minus upon minus will be plus. Okay, once that is done, then what I'll do is I will use this property a upon b, sorry, a upon b divided by c upon d can be written as a upon b into d upon c. Okay, now this property I am going to use it. Okay, so what I'll do is this minus minus has become plus. Now 2 is 2 upon 1. Okay, now 2 upon 1 into, I'll do this 1 upon 2 as 2 upon 1. I'll write this 1 upon 2 as 2 upon 1 because division has been converted into multiplication. Can you see this division? It was converted into multiplication. When you convert division into multiplication, the denominator is inverted. Okay, so that is what I have used here, and there's a plus 3 over here. So far I have come to this answer. Okay, now this is multiplication of two fractions. So when you multiply two fractions, you have to multiply the numerators and the denominators. So 2 into 2 will be 4, 1 into 1 will be 1. So that's 4 upon 1 plus a 3. Now 4 upon 1 is nothing but a 4, and then plus a 3 will become 7. So the answer for the 33rd question is 7. Is that clear? So for the 33rd question, the answer is 7. Now let us go to 34. Okay, for 34 I'll have to bring this down. Yeah, okay. So question number 34. 34 is W plus X upon a Z. Okay, W plus X upon Z. So I'll write these values over here for you. It is W you have to take -2, X you have to take 3, Y you have to take 0, and Z you have to take -1. Okay, fine. So if you plug in the values in this, for W I'm going to take -2, plus X I'm going to take 3, upon Z I'm going to take as -1/2. Okay. Now first here I will simplify this numerator. -2 plus 3. -2 plus 3 has to be +1. Okay, so it will be +1 upon a -1/2. Now this again becomes like this only. What I told you, A upon B upon C upon D equal to A upon B into D upon C. Now if you work out this over here, it will become this +1 can be written as 1 upon 1 into this will become, now see this is plus upon minus, so first of all I'll put that minus sign over here. Okay, it will be minus, and then 1 upon 1 into this I will invert, so it will be 2 upon 1. Now this will be minus 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 1 is 1, so answer will be -2. So the answer for the 34th question is yeah, it is -2. Okay, fine. Okay, so the answer is -2 for the 34th. Now let us work for 35th. So question number 35. Now this let me erase out. Okay, so 35. Question number 35 is, now it says that y bracket x plus z upon w. Okay, so first let us plug in the values. Now y you have to take 0 and then bracket mein x plus z upon w. Now whatever it is x plus z upon w, whatever it will be, but 0 multiplied by anything will be 0. So the answer for the 35th is 0 itself. So no need of working out what is this x plus z upon w. Okay, the answer for the 35th will be 0 itself. Okay, so that's the answer for 35th. Let me check out once again. Yeah, it is 36. It is 0. 35 answer is 0. Next is 36. Question number 36. 36 says that it is a x square times a z plus w y, w into y. Okay, okay, so let us plug in the value. So x you have to take as 3, so this will be 3 square. Okay, times z you will have to take as -1/2 plus w you have to take -2 and y you will have to take as 0. Okay, 0. Now here we'll work out from the inside. Okay, so here -2 into 0 will work out to 0 because anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. So this becomes 0 plus -1/2. Okay, that's there in this bracket, and here you have a 3 square equal to 3 square can be written as 9, and -1/2 plus 0 will be -1/2, isn't it? -1/2 plus 0 will be -1/2. So ultimately your answer is +9 into -1/2. So plus into minus is minus, and 9 upon 2 will be 4.5. So answer can be written as minus 4.5. So for the 36th question, the answer is minus 4.5. Okay, and that's correct. Now this can also be written as minus 4.5. This way also you can write. Okay, next is 37. 37th question says that x square root of x plus w into z. Okay, so plug in the values. So for x I'm going to take 3 into square root of, again for x I'm going to take 3 plus w I'm going to take how much, minus 2, into z I'm going to take as minus half. Okay, now from inside you'll have to work outward. Okay, so this I'll do first. So minus into minus will be plus, and 2 into 1 by 2 will be 2 will get cut and we'll get 1. So this answer will be 1 plus 1. Okay, this 2 and 2 will be cutting, and minus into minus is plus, so plus 1, and you have 3 over here. Okay, so this will be in square root and you have a 3 outside here. So this is 3 times square root of 3 plus 1 is 4. This is equal to 3 square root of 4 is 2. So 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So the answer for 37th will be 6. Okay. 38. 38 question is this. W square into square root of z square plus y square. Okay, so let us plug in the value. So w will be minus 2 square, then a square root. Z is how much? Z is minus half square, plus y is how much? Y is 0. It will be 0 square. So from inside, if you start working, 0 square will be 0. So this is gone. Minus half square, this is square root sign. Minus half square, minus square will be plus, and 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. So 1 by 4. So square root of 1 by 4, and this minus 2 square will be plus 4. Okay, plus 4. Now this works up to plus 4 into 1 by 2. Okay, because square root of 1 by 4 will be 1 by 2. Now 2 and this 4 will cut and answer will be plus 2. That's it. So 38th ka answer we got as plus 2. Now let us go for 39th. 39th question is 2 times, okay, it's 2 times w square plus x square plus y square. This will work out to 2 times. Now w is how much? W is minus 2, so minus 2 square. Okay, plus x is how much? 3, so it will be 3 square, plus y is 0, so it will be 0 square. This will be equal to 2 bracket minus 2 square will be plus 4, 3 square will be 9, and 0 square will be 0. So I'll write just a 0 over here. This will be equal to 2 times. Now first you have to add this and then multiply by 2. Okay, so 9 plus 4 will be 13, plus 0 is 13. So 13 twos are 26. So the answer for 39th is 26. Let us work out for 40. 40 is what? It is 2x bracket w minus z. So 2 into x is how much? X is 3. So 2 into 3. Then again a bracket. W minus z. W is how much? W is minus 2 minus z. Z is minus half. See, wherever I see a Negative sign, I immediately put a bracket. Okay, any number with a negative sign, I use a bracket because that helps a lot. Now this will work out to 2 into 3 will be 6. Then there's a bracket. Then this is minus 2. I'll keep as it is. This bracket I'm going to open. So minus into minus, it will be plus. And this is 1. So plus 1 into half. It will be just half, plus half. Okay. So you get 6 times minus 2 plus half. Now minus 2 plus half. Now this is these are two fractions that can be added in many ways. Okay, the best way is LCM. Okay, so 2 and 1 ka LCM is 2. Then 1 into how much is 2? 1 into 2. So that 2 you multiply with this minus 2. So it will become minus 4. 2 into 1 is 2. So that 1 you multiply with this 1. So it will be plus 1. Okay. So you will get the answer as 6 bracket minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 upon a 2. Now this 2 and 6 will cut to give you 3. So final answer will be 3 into 3, 9. But there's a minus sign over here. So it will be minus 9. So answer for the 40th question is minus 9. Okay. And the answer is perfectly correct. So we have completed 40 questions. Let us do 41 now. 41. 41 is z upon w plus a x. Now z you have to take as a minus half. Upon w you'll have to take as minus 2. Plus x you'll have to take as 3. Now first I'll work out this part. Now this part is minus upon a minus, so that will become a plus. And it is 1 by 2 upon 2. So I can write as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. Plus a 3. This I am keeping still in bracket. This will be equal to, now this is multiplication of two fractions. So 1 into 1 will be 1 upon 2 into 2 will be 4. So this bracket thing works out to 1 by 4. Plus you have a 3 over here. So 3 can be written as 3 upon 1. Now again using LCM, or rather you can do cross multiplication. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 4 into 3 is 12 upon 4 into 1 is 4. So this will be 13 upon 4. So the answer for the 41 question is 41 ka answer is it is 3 1 by 4, but we are getting 13 upon 4, which is absolutely correct, because 13 upon 4, if you convert it into mixed fraction, okay, 13 upon 4 is a improper fraction, isn't it? If you convert it into a mixed fraction, then your answer will work out to 3 1/4. Okay, 3 1 by 4. Now these things you should know, the improper fraction, how to convert it into a mixed fraction. Okay, you just divide it and you'll get this mixed fraction. So 3 1 by 4 is the answer. You can revert check it also. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 divided by 4 is the answer. So this is the way you get this answer. Next is 42. The 42 question says it is a z plus a w upon a x. So z you'll have to take as minus 1 by 2 plus w you'll have to take as minus 2. Okay, upon x you'll have to take as 3. So here this numerator mein, first I'll work out minus half. Now this is plus into minus will be minus and then 2. And then you have upon 3 over here, right? Then this I can work out again. 1 into 1 will be 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1. And this will be 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4 upon 2 ones are 2, right? Upon a 3. This will work out to minus 5 upon 2, okay, into, this is 3 upon 1, so it will become into 1 upon 3. So your final answer will be minus 5 upon a 6. Is that clear? Minus 5 upon a 6. So let us check the question answer for 42. Answer for 42 is minus 5 upon a 6. Absolutely correct. Okay. Now 43. For 43, question number 43, let me check. Okay. Here we go. Okay, 43. Now question number 43 is x plus w upon a z square. So plug in the values. X will be 3 plus w will be minus 2 upon z square. Now z is minus 1 by 2 and the square of that. Okay, this will work out to, first in numerator, plus into minus will become minus, so 3 minus 2 upon this minus half, the square will be minus, square will be plus, and 1 by 2 ka square will become 1 by 4. This can be written as 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 1 upon 4. Now this can be written as 1 upon 1 into 4 upon 1. So the answer will be 4 into 1, 4 upon 1 into 1, 1. So answer is just a 4. So answer for 43 is 4. Okay, and that's absolutely correct. So we have completed 10 questions in this video from 33 to 43. We are left with few more questions to complete 50 questions. But for today, that's all. So see you in the next video sometime again. Till then, goodbye. Take care, all of you.